Good evening, everyone. Today I am talking about the notification which is released by the ISRO, and this notification is notified for the project scientist and project assistant or project associate vacancies, which is open from today. Uh, Today means to 2nd September to 22 September. So let me talk about the um, detail of this vacancies. So Space Application Center Ahmedabad is leading uh, project related to the agriculture science or agriculture engineering related project. So they required uh, some employee for this project. So they notified the vacancies for that, where uh, project scientist and project associate required for these vacancies. So here these vacancies are temporary basis, where 12 temporary positions are for project associate and only one temporary position for the project scientist. So if we talk about the post code number 01, where project scientist um, posts are notified. So if you have doctoral degree in agricultural sciences, you can apply for this, and or you have any degree related to agricultural engineering with a specialization of related to agricultural engineering or agricultural information technology. So you can apply for this project scientist vacancy. So here, one thing is clearly mentioned, that desirable qualification. Uh, if you have working knowledge in remote sensing and GIS, so preferences will given here. And scope of work. So let me talk about scope of work, where you have to do technical assistant for this Puzzle 2.0 project for remote sensing data analysis and implementation and evaluation of yield models for 10 crops, field visit for data collection, in situ crop parameter measurement. So these kind of work you have to do under this position. And next code is 02. So here total number of vacancies are 7 in this project associate post. So if you have M.Sc in geoinformatics, remote sensing, GIS, or with the aggregate of 6.8 CGPA, so you are eligible for that. And here also mention the scope of work. And if you have B.Tech degree in information technology or agricultural engineering, geoinformatics, with the a percentage of 65, or in CGPA grading system, if you have 6.84%, 6.84 point, you are eligible for this post. So same kind of work you have to do in this post also, under the Fasal 2.0 project. So next post is post code 03. So here project associate post, where one position is for this post, and if you have B.Tech in computer science, data science, with the aggregate of 65%, or in CGPA scale, if you have 6.84 point, you are eligible for that. Here you you can you can serve as a GIS or software support for IPCM project for remote sensing data analysis, development of web-based cropping mapping, potato yielding modeling, ground truth, and measurement. So these kind of technical work you have to do under this post. And next to code 04 is notified for the fourth position of project associate, where if you holding a M.Sc degree in agricultural sciences with the specialization of agricultural metrology or agricultural physics, agronomy, crop physiology, soil science, plant pathology, agricultural science, statistics, and uh, all these agricultural tech with the aggregate of same 65% marks or in point scale. If you secured 6.84, you are eligible for this. Now here in this post you have to work as development of methodology using remote sensing data for crop discrimination, mapping, accurate estimation, crop yield and market arrival modeling, and these kind of work you have to do under this position. So for this post which is notified, you have to you must have age under 35, and the in this section you have weightage according to the government policies for special categories. So if we, if talking about the project scientist salary, so it is very good in hand salary 56,000 plus HRA, and for project associate it is also 31 plus HRA. So you can apply before the 22 September for this post. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm providing the complete notification in description box, so you can also check and read all the notifications. So thank you so much for watching this video.